All right, first YouTube video. We're here in Moorestown, Ontario. We're going to be drilling some holes for a pole barn, some footings. Stay tuned. As you can see, we got it laid out here. We got the Baumolite TRL260D ready to drill some holes. We're using a 36-inch wide bit. It's going to be interesting to see if that machine even wants to spin it at all. We've got an 18-inch diameter bit and we got a 24-inch diameter bit. So we're going to be popping some holes in here, and they're going to be erecting a pole barn. So stay tuned to see how this thing turns out. It's going to be interesting. We're working in a bit of tight access over here. Might have to push this side in because the homeowner said that this guy is frozen down and we're supposed to drop an 18-inch hole right there. So I doubt that that's going to happen. But yeah, let's get cracking. All finished up. 24-inch, 36-inch, 18-inch. So it took me about 5 hours to drill all these. The machine wasn't wanting to push the 36-inch bit, but I can't really blame it. This is real hard packed clay here, right on the border of the US. If you look in the distance there, that is St. Clair, Michigan, on the other side of the river. So this ground is not nice and easy. So the plan is for tomorrow now, we've got the okay on the inspection. We're going to come back, pour an 8-inch footing in a form at the bottom. We are going to set the post Thursday, but for that 8 inches, I've never dealt with that before. What they're going to do is they're going to do 8 inches as a base of concrete below the frost line because we are in the north. And what we're going to do on top of that is put a saddle on top, put a 6x6 post, 6x8 post in some of holes, and backfill with gravel. So that's the plan for the rest of the week, for at least tomorrow and Thursday. We'll see how it goes. The hard part's done. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself. We drilled another few out by the house over there, another 3 36-inch diameter holes. Those were not easy as well. But yeah, anybody could do this. If you got a mini skid steer, put an auger on. It pays great. It's just hard work. Like these, for example, the machine stopped pushing. You can see where the machine stopped pushing, or maybe you can't with the crappy lighting, but the machine stopped pushing about at 3 feet, so you had to get in there and break apart the rest of it with a spike bar. But that's it. It's looking good for now. Check back in tomorrow, see how the pour goes.